Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jessa Pimamontayo. I'm the second to the last reporter. My topic is insurance and imperfect information. Insurance is a method that households and firms use to present any single event from having a significant detrimental financial effect. Sabot naman sa insurance. Types of naay ginatawag nga types of insurance. Who pays for it, tapos it pays out when. Ang health insurance, ang nagbayad ana kay ang mga employers and individual. Tapos out when medical expenses are cured. Life insurance is employers and individual gihapon ang nagbayad, policyholders dies. Tapos ang automobile insurance kay individuals. Car is damaged, stolen, or causes damage to others. Ang property and homeowners, ang magbayad po na kay homeowners and renters in injury, dwelling in damage, or burglarize. Tapos, ang last is ay ang liability insurance kay ang magbayad kay ang firms and individuals. An injury occurs for which you are partly responsible. Tapos, ang last is malpractice insurance. Ang magbayad anak ay doktor, lawyers, or kanang mga professional. Tapos, a poor quality in service is provided that causes harm to others. How insurance works. A simplified example of automobile insurance might work this way. Suppose we divide a group of 100 drivers into the 3 groups. In a given year, 60 of those people have only a few dings or chip point, which cost 100 each. Another 30 of the drivers have medium-sized accident that cost an average of 1,000 in the damages, and 10 of the drivers have large accident that cost 15,000 in damages. For the moment, let's imagine that at the beginning of any year, there is no way of identifying the drivers who are low risk, medium risk, or high risk. The total damage incurred by a car accident in the group of 100 drivers will be 186,000. That's it. So, pag imuha na siya kibaling kanang atuan na siya. Nganong nakuha ang 186, atuan na siyang na siya kuan. Naay formula kung unsaon. Nganong nakuha ang 186 total damage. Di ba sa gihatag nga kuan, 100 drivers into 3 groups in given year, 60 of those people have kanang kuan bitaw lang, kanang minor lang bitaw ilahang kuan, ilahang accident. Tapos 60 ba to? 60 times 100 equals 6,000. Sa 30 kabuok pod nga mga medium size nga accident, nag-cost pod sila og 1,000. So 30 times 1,000 equals 30,000. Sa kuan kanang sa large accident, that cost of 15,000. So napulo man kabuok drivers ang na disgrasya sa large accident, i-times po na nimo siya sa 15,000. So, ang iyang total is 150,000. Tapos, i-plus na nimong 6,000 plus 30,000 plus 50,000 is equals to 186,000. If each of the drivers pays for, kung ang isa daw kakuan, ang isa ka driver magbayad og 1,860 premium each year, the insurance company will collect the 186,000 that is needed to cover the cost of the accidents that's occur. Kung ang isa daw ka driver magbayad og 1,860 kada tuig, so ang insurance company maka-collect sila og 186,000 na mo cover, na needed i-cover sa mga accidents. So naapod tay gitawag nga government and social insurance. Federal and state governments run a number of insurance programs look much like private insurance in the sense that the member of a group makes steady payments into a fund and those in the group who suffer an adverse experience receive payments. Ang for example ana, di ba ang mga professional kanang maestra ka, doktor ka, kana sila steady man ang ilahang kuan. Steady man ang ilahang payments kada bulan baya sila ginasweldohan. So sila ang steady man nilang payments na sila ang maghatag og funds. Katong mga kuan, katong group food og people nga wala dili steady ilahang kuan payments kanang suffer and adverse experience receive payments. Maka-receive pud sila payments, dili sila maghatag og funds, ibali sila ang unemployment insurance. Employers in every state pay a small amount for unemployment insurance, which goes into a fund to pay benefits to workers who lose their jobs and do not find new jobs for a period of time, usually up to 6 months. Ang employment insurance kanang maghatag sila og insurance sa mga tao nga wala na nakatrabaho pero pag sa up to 6 months lang sila maghatag. Pension insurance. Employers that offer pensions to their retired employers are required by law to a small fraction of what they are setting aside. Pension insurance kanang kuan bitaw kanang parehas anang maestra ka tapos ni-retired na ka, diba na sila ginahatag na insurance? O nang example sa pension insurance. Deposit insurance. Banks are required by law to pay a small fraction of their deposits to the Federal Deposits Insurance Corporation, which goes into a fund that pays depositors the value of their bank's deposits up to $250,000. The amount was raised from 100,000 to 250,000 in 2008 if the bank should go bankrupt. Kung na-deposit insurance, the next one is workman's compensation insurance. Employers are required by law to pay a small percentage of the salaries that they pay into funds, typically run at the state's level that pay benefits to the workers who suffer an injury on the job. Kanang compensation. Diba for example kanang nagtrabaho ka sa company, diba ginakuhaan man na nila imuhang salary, didakan man na imuhang salary. Kay kung naay kauban nimo na injury, mao dayon to ilahang kuhaan. Retirement insurance. All workers pay a percentage of their income into Social Security and into Medicare, which proves income and health care benefits to the elderly. Kaning retirement insurance kay ang maka-benefits ani kay ang mga tigulang. Kay para pud na sa ilahang kuan, sa ilang health kanang ilang Medicare o kuan. Sa ilang Medicare, risk group and actuarial fairness. Not all of those who purchase insurance face the same risk. Some people may be more likely because of the genetics or personal habits to fall sick with certain diseases. Some people may live in the area where car thief or home robbery is more likely than other areas. Dili man jud fair kay basin naay kibali uban. Diba sa subdivision kay grabe jud kibali kung nagpuyo ka sa subdivision, grabe jud ang ilang safety kay naaman sila mga kuan kanang naa sila security guard pag mosulod ka kinahanglan og kuan kung lain tao ang mosulod didto manginahanglan man og kanang identification. Kung same pud sa uban kanang nagpuyo sila dira sa kuan kanang uso ang carnap kanang home robbery, dili jud fair kay na may uban nga nagpuyo sa kibali nagpuyo ka diri ang safety nga lugar, dili pud tanang lugar nga safety. So the next is the moral hazard problems. Refers to the case when people engage in riskier behavior with insurance than they would if they did not have insurance. For example, if you have health insurance, cover the cost of visiting the doctor, you may be less likely to take precautions against catching an illness that might require a doctor visit. Next, the adverse selection problem refers to the problem in which insurance buyers have more information about whether they are high risk than the insurance company does. So that's all. Thank you.